In today's lecture, I will try to show how to prepare the thesis through my thesis, how to approach the cases of mental retardation, why to approach these cases first of all, and secondly what basics or what points I got cleared because of this work regarding organon or regarding the miasms or something like that. I will try to explain you through this thesis that. Okay. Now whatever pages you will see are as in my thesis. Okay. So you will get the idea of how to arrange the pages also, how to put the format and everything. Okay. This was my cover page. Now I start this thesis with dedication which I have put in my thesis also. You can see it. Okay. Samuel Hahnemann. And this is my guide, Dr. B.S. Bosle, that is Dr. Praful Vijayakar. And this is the award which we got from that school, mentally retarded school, for working there. Alright. This is the certificate that the school has given. The first paragraph is not important, that is to certify that they have worked here. Ajinkya Foundation, Kupwad, a place called Kupwad. Okay. The story behind this is that Mrs. Shailaja Gaundaji, who runs the school, she has 3 mental retarded children. Okay. And they were not so from birth. They were born normal and later they became mental retarded, all 3 of them. So I will even try to explain how it happened and relation with homeopathy, how you can correlate. So the important factor was that we express our heartiest gratitude to both the doctors for giving their precious time and dedication towards our students and making us aware of the potential of homeopathic treatment. This was the most important part for this school, because even normal people are unaware even today how homeopathy works and everything. So they were thankful to us for this thing. Till here you don't have to put the page numbers according to the thesis format also. Certificate, declaration and acknowledgements. Now acknowledgements is a part where you thank the person as much you want. So I am thankful to my guide solely. So you can just read the first paragraph. You can see it? दिख रहा है ना? इससे समझ में आएगा how much grateful I am to him. ठीक है. Now whatever I am going to say, they are words of my guide. Okay, he was with me always during this research work, and it was his observation and his knowledge that he applied. I have just tried to arrange them in a proper manner, because whatever you do you need to have reasons. You just can't give के मेरे को लग रहा है सल्फर है, ये इसको 2 डोज दो मुझे लग रहा है, इसको 1 डोज दो मुझे लग रहा है, या मेरा दिल कर रहा है, ऐसे थीसिस में नहीं चलने वाला. You need to have valid reasons, you need to have valid references from where you are doing all this. This is the index, and this is exactly the way you have to arrange the thesis points. Okay. It is given in the lecture by Dr. Kishore Mehta, even the format that they have given, it is given in that. Introduction. Now these pictures are present even in my thesis. What I want you to say that be a little creative when you are making your thesis. If it is monotonous, say black and white, first of all कोई पढ़ेगा नहीं उसको. If it's a little attractive, the binding also and the quality also, then he will enter inside. That is one big point that you have to consider in this. Now introduction, I will not let you read everything. Introduction first, what does introduction require? It does not require any statistical evidences. कि भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो उसमें कितने लोग हैं, that is not required. Why you got introduced? Why you got interested in that topic? व्हाट इज़ द करंट क्राइटेरिया फॉर दैट टॉपिक, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है उसमें, होम्योपैथी और उसमें कुछ लेना देना है या नहीं है, या आपको लगता है इसके बाद कुछ लेना देना हो सकता है. दैट इज़ व्हाट यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन थ्रू द इंट्रोडक्शन, एंड इट शुड बी लिटिल in your own words. Okay, Baba, what you felt about this topic. I had a cousin, she died, Down syndrome. I was in second year, so at that time she was diagnosed with Downs. First they were very happy, mild है, कुछ सताती नहीं, you know how Downs babies are, और बहुत cute है, but when it was diagnosed at Downs, depression, shame, anger सब एक साथ आ गया, and it was completely neglected. And I was in Kolhapur doing my studies. And they just said, just on. The doctor said she is abnormal, but they didn't say what. But later on they said that ये down से कर. She lived hardly for a year. After that, I don't know, I can't say how, but maybe because of their neglection or what, कुछ ज़्यादा ही neglected. Maybe she understood. She left. She got severe pneumonia. She left. But the parents had no regret for that. Actually, they were happy. अच्छा हो गया, चली गई, उसको कैसे रखते थे, ये आगे जाके ऐसे होगा, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा. तो सिर्फ द क्वेश्चंस केम इन माई माइंड के कैन वी डू समथिंग फॉर दिस, नॉट वी डू, मतलब डू दे लिव नॉर्मली, कैन दे लिव नॉर्मली, कैन दे प्रोग्रेस, कैन दे सर्वाइव, एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाँ, कैन होम्योपैथी डू समथिंग फॉर, ये क्वेश्चंस तब आया एंड इट वेंट अवे. सेकेंड ईयर में था. इवन इन फोर्थ ईयर दिस टॉपिक we don't study much in detail regarding this. Pediatrics is also a separate section for some 10 marks, the fixed questions रहते, उसमें डाउन्स रहता है 5 मार्क को, और ऐसा छोटा छोटा, and you have to write it, but we don't study as such. Because of this thesis, I got a deep study of pediatrics, how to approach the cases, and also general basic homeopathy also got cleared because of these cases. Homeopathy doesn't differ from patient to patient, so you can learn from anything. See, homeopathy is much more of a choice than people often think it to be. One of its philosophy's greatest breakthroughs is the realization that the body is not an object but a process with no preordained limits. So if this holds true, then the limitations of this intellectual disabled shouldn't be a limitation for homeopathy to act on them. होम्योपैथी में क्या कंसिडर करते, यू नो, जनरल्स वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. अबाउट पैथोलॉजिकल केसेस, माई गाइड हैंडल्स देम अबाउट, I have seen consulting about 4 to 5 CA cases every day. Every day I am saying cases. After working in this school, every other day one or the other MR child comes to us for consulting. Without result they won't come, believe me. They come to us for consulting. As a student, as a beginner, what we are afraid कि वो दिखता कैसे हो, देख के डर लग जाता है. होम्योपैथी क्या करेगा, जरा वाकड़ा है तो डर जाते, या फिर वो हिल रहा है तो डर जाते, या कुछ बड़ा है उगा है कुछ तो हम डर जाते, बिकॉज वी डोंट कंसिडर दैट फॉर होम्योपैथी. तो उसमें आई गॉट के डरने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. जस्ट स्टार्ट द केस, इसमें है अप्रोच, यू विल फाइंड द रिजल्ट. नाउ दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. विद द फाइनलाइजेशन ऑफ डायग्नोसिस ऑफ मेंटल रिटार्डेशन, देयर ऑकर्स इन द पेरेंट्स लॉस ऑफ होप्स एंड एस्पिरेशंस रिगार्डिंग देयर चाइल्ड एंड हिज ब्राइट फ्यूचर. Indefinite and extensive caregiving, complex and numerous relationships with multiple experts and providers, grief regarding the child's condition, and which is renewed by each and every unmet milestone. ठीक है. Higher risk for psychiatric disorder, overwhelmed family system, decreased emotional availability and poor attachment with the child, feeling of isolation and shame, fathers become withdrawn and alienated, and mothers become intensely focused. शॉर्ट में जो मेन प्रॉब्लम्स है एमआर के चाइल्ड का, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एंड वाई टू ट्रीट दिस चिल्ड्रन, दैट ऑल्सो आई विल टेल यू वाई. बिकॉज इफ यू थिंक अबाउट हेल्प फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट, देर इज नो हेल्प फॉर दिस चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट, especially in our state. Why? Because before 1 to 2 years they showed that bogus schools, bogus photographs. ये बच्चे कंप्लेंट नहीं कर सकते कि हमको ट्रीटमेंट दे नहीं रहे, झूठा पैसा खा रहे, और बहुत पैसा चला गया उसमें. सो नो हेल्प फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकेंडली, एज डॉक्टर्स everyone expects some social work from us.